Welcome to Geometry, Topic 3, Section 1. We have, of course, some new vocabulary, which actually this is review vocabulary right here. Hopefully all of it is review. If not, it's a good time to learn it. So in this next section, we're going to be talking about transformations. And so it's really important to know that we have the image being the new shape. So anytime an image is referred to, that is the new shape. The original is the pre-image. So the pre-image is the original. And a reflection transforms across a line creating a mirror image. We will be using special notation as we go through this, and that special notation for reflection will be a capital R. It will be really important to use a capital R as you go through this because lowercase r will be used for something else. And a transformation is a rigid motion. Rigid motion of a point, line, or shape. Should be a period there. Okay, so that means that the shape stays the same. So if you need to make note that a rigid motion stays the same shape, just basically moves it, okay? Go ahead and on your own complete the Explore and Reason. It asks which tiles are copies of tiles 1 and explain. On your picture, your pieces come out gray and white. This has blue and yellow, but you should be able to just refer to them as gray and white shapes. And do parts A, B, and C. In example 1, we're going to talk about a rigid motion here. And a rigid motion is a transformation that preserves length and angle measure. So the size, the length, and the angle measures all stay the same. So looking at this transformation here, is this a rigid motion? We have a pre-image and an image. And the answer here is no. This is not a rigid motion. The angles are the same, but the length was not preserved. The angles are the same, but the length was not preserved. Go ahead and pause your video and do the try-its. Are each of those rigid motions? You have your pre-image and your image. This one might be a little bit harder for you to see, but this one is yes. If you rotate the first one around until it is facing the same direction as that image, you could slide them right on top of each other. And B, the answer should be no, they are not the same size.